everyone, my name is Aadya Singh and today I'm going to tell you why Mother Earth Day is celebrated. But for now, I have made a drawing that represents the past Earth and the current Earth what we have made it to. Now let's come back to the question, why should we celebrate Mother Earth Day? Our second Mother Earth is as important as our first mother who gave birth to us. Pollution has become one of the most concerning issues for the planet and mankind. Burning of fossil fuels, mining, automobile exhaustions contributed. Thus, it causes acid rains, respiratory problems, global warming, and more. Water pollution. Water pollution is caused when toxic substances are mixed up with water bodies like lakes, rivers, oceans, etc. Toxic substances can be like chemical fertilizers from the agriculture field, poisonous industrial waste, and sewage water. We should also avoid the wastage of water just shown in the picture here. We should not rely on the government or industries as we contribute it. Every person in the earth has a great role to restore the balance of the earth. Educate the public about financing issues and protect the earth from degrading. Thank you.